Just another quick video today for you. This one is again another Amazon win for myself. Right, okay, so it's a BeamZ S500 fogger machine. Now this, unbelievably, was less than £30. Now this would be ideal for studios. Now and again they want to add some fogging effects to the photos, etc., but it's something that you're probably not going to use a lot of the time, so you don't want to invest a lot of money in it. Well, this one, less than £30 on Amazon. It came with the smoke fluid as well, and really simple. It's one power cable. You've got your remote trigger here. When this turns green, then it's ready to fire, and then you just simply press that, and then you've got your little stream of fog. What I'll do is I'm going to pause this video and we'll get it fired up, and then I'll come back to you in a tick. So I'll just show you quickly. You've got a red light here. That is, it's blinking away in the camera, but it's not blinking in real life. So when this one turns green, we will be able to give you, or I'll give you a quick demonstration of this fogger working. You've got a little on the back of it here. It tells you the amount of fluid liquid you've got in here. I think it holds about 500 mils. No, I would say it holds 250 mils of fluid in here, and that will give you enough for a day easy. You know, like I said, it's only going to be something you're using now and again. I would assume not many photographers use these on a daily basis, but it's just something to have in your studio or in your little collection for that occasion when you would like to get a little bit of smoke or that sort of hazy effect in the picture. For less than £30, a fully working smoke machine was a definite win for me. Right, okay, give me a minute, we'll get it up and running and we'll show you how it works. So there's the amount of smoke we're getting off it, as you can see there. What I'll do next is I will turn off the lights and show you just a laser running through it as well, then you can get a good idea. But yeah, you're going to get enough to get a nice effect with this machine, definitely. One tick. 25, less than £30, sorry I should say. This is a definite win once again. Get some nice effects with this in your studio, and it's not something that you would use on a daily basis, so you know it's pointless spending a fortune on something that is going to be used now and again. So as you can see there, it's a definite win. So there you go, folks, that's a little fogger, less than £30, available on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description for you if you want to purchase one of these. I'm going to have to end the video now because my little studio is all foggy and I can't really see what I'm doing. Anyway, okay, hope this is of some help to somebody out there. Again, link will be in the description. £30, treat yourself, have some fun. See you in the next video. Peace, bye.